we out here at campground 136.
They already checked out in, honey. They put a reserve in there themselves.
They came by this morning just to make sure we're here.
Oh, really?
Clap or something.
That's copyright.
I'm gonna mute it.
And I took it off.
Let's do this.
I'm home.
Stop it.
Just very curious how the hell it got planted like that.
Erosion. Who did it, yo?
Chris Angel.
Chris Angel? You think Chris Angel did that? No, man.
David Blame, maybe?
What do you guys say?
B-Boy T?
I'm tired.
A wild cow up there.
Man, this is dope.
Yeah.
You should be here too.
Woo!
Only powered.
Oh yeah. We're at Leavenworth. We just ate at a hot dog place, a sausage place. I forgot the name of the store, but it's really good. It's like one of the best here in Leavenworth. We're about to go back to our campsite. We just came back from a hike.
What about you? Where did you come out from?
We came out from the bathroom, you know what I'm saying?
What were you doing?
Nothing.
I was doing number two. Number two.
You better hurry up because that shit's right in my eye.
Tony, please. Don't do that, man. Oh my god.
I am definitely gonna post this.
Please don't.
Please.
This is
Oh,
my
yeah.
personal. Stop, Holiday. Don't even.
Living life in peace.
You got a phone?
Wanna dance with you right now. Oh, as beautiful as ever.
Oh, feeding you, baby.
And the summer, Lord, I feel the cold. Lord, I'm doing I can.
It's in the bag.
Better man.
Cooking Lynn.
Cooking fish.
Fish. What kind
Roeun.
of fish?
Tilapia.
Hey,
Oh, yum. Pepper.
When you put it on it, I'm just gonna glaze it, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Wisconsin. Never getting older.
Wisconsin.
Never getting older. Even the best falls down sometimes.
Take the smoke, yeah.
Mariah Carey of Cambodia.
Camera.
Come on, Larry. Come on, you're the leader, man.
So we've got our tent here. This is our crib. Check it out. This is where we sleep last night. All right. Check it out. Come inside. Take off your shoes. We're keeping it the Asian style. Keeping it clean. As you see, we've got mine and my girlfriend's sleeping bag. This side, the messy side, that is our friend Pao. This is our bathroom. So we walk this path to the bathroom. So this is the bathroom right here. It's actually a pretty nice bathroom for a campsite. We booked this campsite about $50. Come check out the bathroom. The shower is pretty nice. You got 50 cents. You got 50 cents for 3 minutes. You got hot and cold shower right there, and then shower when you turn it on. Yeah, I think it's a pretty nice bathroom. It's pretty clean. I like this camp area. If you're a fisherman I say come down to this Wenatchee, Lake Wenatchee. You got some pretty big trouts.